Hi everyone, Dylan here from the Fergus team. In this video, we're going to look at how health and safety works in the mobile app. If you open the menu within the mobile app, there is a section labelled Health and Safety. Opening this will show you near misses and incidents, medical centres, and your health and safety policy. Tapping on near misses and accidents will allow you to use the plus at the top right of the screen, opening a new screen to log the details. You'll need a date, title, description of the incident, whether it was a near miss or an incident, which team member was involved. You can add multiple employees here if you need to, and you can add photos to this as well. All this information will be stored in Fergus for future reference on the desktop as well as the mobile app. Let's move on to hazards. Hazards are specific to site visits, so you'll need to open up a job to log these. From the site visit menu, select hazards, and again, plus on the top right of the screen will allow you to add a hazard, otherwise you can mark the job as hazard free. If you hit the plus, a new window opens requiring you to populate it with information. Firstly, you can select a hazard template if suitable. This adds a title and description to the hazard. You can then add photos if you need. You can also add a SWMS or a work data sheet. The last step is for mitigation, so your team can show steps they took to work around the hazard if applicable. Last step is to save, and now you'll see a list of two types of hazards, unmitigated and mitigated. That's all there is to it. Fergus helps manage your hazards while you're on site, so you don't need to worry about filling out forms and storing them. They are always available when you need them. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any questions, please get in touch via support@fergus.com.